In Swindon, we have some of the most creative people. A beautiful space which inspires innovation. It's been in my head now for 10 years, and I know it's not just my head, it's been in yours too. Some of the most amazing minds. Brings everyone together into the space, and all it needed was a little spark. Bring it to the balcony, bring it right here, bring this place to life. It's gonna be people risk-taking, thinking outside the box, exploring the unknown, because there are no rules here. I can't do that on my own, and I don't want to do that on my own. I want to do that with you guys. That's the beauty of it. A creative explosion of everything you've ever wanted to do. In this place, you're free to create. It's open, it's multi-use, and take risks without care of failing or something doesn't work or something doesn't happen. Doesn't matter! So long as you open this and you throw it onto this to think big and make things happen. Inspiring them to innovate and become the next practitioners of tomorrow. Time to make our dreams a reality.